What is going on, guys? So I got a super short video for you this week. If you watched my last video, I was doing the unboxing for the lift, the rough country 3-inch lift for my 4th gen Cummins. And if you didn't see that, I'll have the link down below in the description. So if you want to check that out, it'll be down there. So I got the lift put in, and last night it was like already dark out, and I ran the truck over the neighbor, and he said he'd do it for like put it in last night for like next to nothing. So I didn't start the video up last night because it would have been dark and boring and just a couple seconds long of me just driving and dropping the truck off over there. So he just called me and said that the truck's all done, I can come pick it up. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna run over there and get the truck, and then since it's right down the road, then I'll start the video back up once I have it in the driveway. And like I said, this is gonna be like a super short video. I'll walk around the truck real quick and kind of show you. It doesn't like, it's not gonna do a big difference. It's only a 3-inch lift and it's on stock wheels and tires yet. So it's not gonna like look completely different. But yeah, I'll just show you in case anyone was interested, and I figured I'd let you guys keep up to speed, keep you updated on the truck build, or whatever you want to call it. So I'm gonna go get the truck, and and then another thing, it's like raining outside, so that's why it's gonna be like a shorter video. I'm gonna go get the truck, and then I'll bring the camera back. I'll flip it back on once we are out in the driveway. All right, I'm outside now. I got the truck back, and here it is, and all of it's still looking like a grandpa truck glory. Like I said, it's a 3-inch rough country lift. It's 3-inch coils in the front, different shocks, and in the back it was just a 1-inch block for the rear. But like I said, new shocks all around, which hopefully will ride a little better. I only drove it right down the road and then home. I still need to get the alignment done, which hopefully I can do tomorrow, and then I can put the other tires on. I got a set of 315 Duratracks I'm gonna throw on it just to run this winter, because like my back tires are like mad bald. Like there's like nothing there. And so the little bit of snow that we've been getting, like it's like 40 degrees and raining right now, so all the snow is gone. But I've been having to run like 4-wheel drive because this thing will not hook up at all with these bald ass tires on it. So yeah, like the back, like I don't think the back really sits up any different, besides like there's like these trucks stock, there's so much room to fit like tires in the rear. Like that's why I only went with a 3-inch. I don't want like I don't need a freaking lifted truck. Like like I got the Jeep for like if I want to be lifted and go like rock crawling and do all that shit. Like this is just a daily. I just threw this on so I can kind of put different wheels and tires on it come springtime, and it'll look good. I just want to clear the 35s, which I can do. But in the front, like it's 3 inches higher. Like you can see it, like with the small wheels on it, like you can definitely tell it's lifted now. It looks kind of goofy. But I got the Duratracks over here. There's a goddamn puddle. Here's the Duratracks I'm gonna throw on it. I had got the plow on the mower and everything's in the garage, so I didn't have room for that in there because the Jeep's stored in the garage now. I got the snowmobile in there. The bikes are in the house, but so I had to bring the tires out, and I knew I was gonna be putting them on soon, which hopefully I can get to either tomorrow or the next day. Yeah, so that's the truck with the 3-inch rough country lift. It was like, I don't know, I said the price in the last video. It was like for rate like $390 something, $399, and I think they actually had some sales on Black Friday. And I was gonna order the front core support thing. It like ties into the frame to tighten up the steering, and then the dual steering stabilizer. But I got to get my car fixed, and I don't really need that because I don't drive the truck a lot. So I'll just wait a couple of weeks and then I'll order that shit. But yeah, and then like the holidays are coming up, so if I don't have to spend that money, I'm just gonna wait. But that stuff's only a couple $100, and yeah. So that will probably be the next thing. Well, actually, the next video will be me getting the alignment done and putting them tires on, and then hopefully it will kind of take the grandpa look away a little bit. But like I said, springtime, new wheels and tires. So stay tuned for that video. It's raining, it's shitty out. I'm going back inside. Until next time, guys, I'm out.